Hey, welcome back, folks. Today's project is a marketplace find. This is a 12-inch bandsaw slash sander Craftsman brand from Sears, back when Sears was actually a thing. Paid $50 for this on Marketplace, and it even came with the original yellow safety key right here. Right now it's got just regular feet on it, but I need to put wheels on it so I can move it around. So I picked up some of these wheels off Amazon. They all lock. I got all four of them. They're all 4 casters, bunch of hardware, and I got a piece of 3/4 inch plywood, and I'm gonna make a platform I can bolt this entire bandsaw onto so I can move it wherever I want to and then lock it down so I can just basically take advantage of the small space of my shop right now, which is just a rental garage. But anyway, that's what we're doing today, so we're gonna get started right now. Are you there? Yeah, I see ya. Okay, so I got my square of plywood here. It's gonna be the platform that these caster wheels will be mounted on the bottom side of the bandsaw. I'm gonna go ahead and get them mostly mounted up, at least three bolts on each one. I still don't know how I'm gonna film putting it on the bottom of the actual bandsaw, but we'll see how that works out. But what we're doing now is we're gonna go ahead and I'm really messing you guys up with this film quality, aren't I? Let's try it right there. So I have an awl, and I'm gonna get a start point for every single one of these holes. I think that's gonna work pretty good. So now I got a reverse orientation. So that direction. Just like this. Now I'll speed it up for you so you don't have to get bored. Okay, I got the bottom with the wheels all bolted on. Rolls around really super easy. It's gonna make using this bandsaw pretty sweet. And I can store it back over here next to the next to the lathe. And I can pull it out whenever I need to. Apparently the concrete's a little bit unlevel there, but I can pull it out whenever I need to and put it back whenever I'm not using it. So it's pretty cool. Real short video today, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and if you're enjoying the content that I'm putting out, go ahead and hit the join. Only $1.99 a month, and you get to see all my videos at least 2 or 3 days earlier than everybody else. See you next time around.